Hey you guys, I am here at Walmart and I just want to show you really quickly that there are jars here. So there are quart jars. There's even 3/4 quart jars that I just picked up. Um, one last box. I got right here. I'm not even sure how much they are, but I haven't seen them in a while. So, and then there are plenty of half pints. Let's see, pints. Lots of jars. There's even lids. So, and then there's Wide Milk up there. Sure gel. Let's see what these are. Okay, so these are just the Golden Harvest jelly jars. And then the curd and balls. They have pretty much everything. Not a whole lot of lids, but enough to get by. And then bands and lids. Plenty of those. Not regular mouth, though. One box of regular bands and lids, and that's it. But this is the most I've seen in a while. They've even got 2 water bath counters down there. So, just wanted to share. Hope you guys are finding all this as well. Thanks for watching.